latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The Sassoon General Hospital in Pune has claimed that it has reported India's first case of vertical transmission from a mother to her child. The transmission has taken place through the mother's placenta. Doctors have said the baby can be infected postnatally. When a person contracts the infection, it is mainly because of some contact with fomites. If the mother is infected, the baby can be infected postnatally because of breastfeeding or any other contacts. In layman's language, the baby does not have an infection at birth but requires it after 3 to 4 days. According to the doctors at the hospital, the current scenario was very challenging for them as the mother had symptoms of COVID-19 a week before her delivery. After the baby was born, her nasal swabs, the umbilical cord and the placenta were tested. The baby then tested positive for COVID-19. Doctors said that the tests were mandatory according to the Indian Council of Medical Research. Since the Indian Council of Medical Research has made it mandatory to test all pregnant women, the woman here was tested but her reports were negative. The baby was then kept in a separate ward. After 2 to 3 days of birth, the baby also developed strong symptoms like fever and there were signs of cytokine storm suggesting severe inflammation. A cytokine storm is a physiological reaction during which the immune system causes an uncontrolled and excessive release of pro-inflammatory molecules called cytokines. Doctors said that the baby was kept in the intensive care unit and after a duration of 2 weeks, the baby recovered. During the investigation, it was confirmed that it was a vertical transmission. We waited for 3 weeks and tested the blood samples of both the mother and child for antibody response. Both had developed antibodies. While the antibodies were high in the mother, the baby had less. The baby developed a severe coronavirus infection and it required a lot of attention and efforts to successfully treat the baby. The doctors found it challenging as the baby had developed a severe COVID-19 infection and required a lot of attention and efforts to successfully treat the baby. The doctors are in the process of documenting the case in a reputed journal. The doctors of the hospital claimed that the case in Pune is the first case of vertical transmission in India. Earlier in April, the Indian Council of Medical Research had said that it is possible for the virus to be transmitted directly from the mother to her baby. However, the ICMR said that the proportion of the pregnancies affected is yet to be determined.